Today we are going to discuss about trigonometry. I hope this word trigonometry is new for you. Then what is trigonometry and how to use trigonometry in mathematics? These things I will explain today. So trigonometry, the word trigonometry is derived from a Greek words trigonon and metron. Trigonon and metron. So the word trigonon means triangle and the word metron means measurement. So trigonometry is the science of measuring triangles. So trigonometry is the science of measuring triangles. Trigonometry, actually the main task of trigonometry is to find the remaining sides and angles of a triangle whose sum sides and angles are given. So the main task of trigonometry is to find the remaining sides and angles of a triangle whose sum sides and angles are given. So these problems are solved by using some ratios of sides of a triangle with respect to the acute angles, with respect to its acute angles. So these ratios of sides of the triangle, that means the ratios of acute angles of the triangle are called trigonometric ratios. Trigonometric ratios. So there are 6 different trigonometric ratios. First one is sin theta, means perpendicular by hypotenuse. Perpendicular by hypotenuse, and the sin theta can be written as sin sin theta. Then another one is cosine theta. Cosine theta is base by hypotenuse. Base by hypotenuse, and cosine theta can be written as cos theta. After that, tangent theta. Tangent theta. Tangent theta is perpendicular by base. Perpendicular by base. So tangent theta is perpendicular by base, and tangent theta can be written as tan theta. And another one is, so 3 trigonometric ratios are sin theta, cosine theta and tangent theta. More 3 are there. Cosecant theta. Cosecant theta is hypotenuse by perpendicular. Hypotenuse by perpendicular, which can be written as cosec theta. And another one is secant theta. Secant theta means hypotenuse by base. Hypotenuse by base can be written as sec theta. And another one is, the last one is cotangent theta. Cotangent theta which is base by perpendicular. Base by perpendicular can be written as cot theta. So these are 6 trigonometric ratios: sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta and cot theta. Sin theta is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse. The ratio of sides of the triangle is perpendicular by hypotenuse. If I write perpendicular by hypotenuse means sin theta, base by hypotenuse means cos theta, perpendicular by base means tan theta, hypotenuse by perpendicular means cosec theta, and hypotenuse by base means sec theta, and base by perpendicular means cot theta. It is clear from the definition of trigonometric ratios that sin theta is equal to 1 by cosec theta, and cos theta equal to 1 by sec theta, and tan theta equal to 1 by cot theta, and also cosec theta equal to 1 by sin theta, sec theta equal to 1 by cos theta, and cot theta equal to 1 by tan theta. So it is clear from the trigonometric ratio, from the definition of trigonometric ratio, that sin theta and cosec theta are reciprocal to each other. Sin theta you can write 1 by cosec theta, and cosec theta you can write 1 by sin theta. Cos theta equal to 1 by sec theta, and sec theta equal to 1 by cos theta. Tan theta equal to 1 by cot theta, and cot theta equal to 1 by tan theta. Sin theta into cosec theta equal to 1. Cos theta into sec theta equal to 1, and tan theta into cot theta equal to 1. And also we can write tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta, and cot theta will be, since cot theta is reciprocal of tan theta, it will be cos theta by sin theta. These are some formulas. We will use these formulas when we solve the problems. 3 fundamental identities are there of trigonometry. Fundamental identities of trigonometry. Fundamental identities. Fundamental identities. Number 1 is sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. 2 number sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. 3 number cosec square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. These 3 are fundamental identities of trigonometry. One is sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1, cos sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1, and cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Some more identities we can write from these 3 fundamental identities. So some more identities obtained from these 3 fundamental identities. See, one number is sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. From this equation we can find out sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Then sin theta equal to root over 1 minus cos square theta. Then cos square theta equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Cos theta equal to root over 1 minus sin square theta. So these are some more identities. One is sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta, sin theta equal to root over 1 minus cos square theta, cos square theta equal to 1 minus sin square theta, cos theta equal to root over 1 minus sin square theta. Now from second number fundamental identity, 4 more identities you can find out. Sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. So therefore sec square theta equal to 1 plus tan square theta. Then sec theta equal to root over 1 plus tan square theta. Tan square theta equal to sec square theta minus 1. Tan theta equal to root over sec square theta minus 1. So sec square theta equal to 1 plus tan square theta, sec theta equal to root over 1 plus tan square theta, tan square theta equal to sec square theta minus 1, tan theta equal to root over sec square theta minus 1. From third one is cosec square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. So cosec square theta equal to 1 plus cot square theta. Cosec theta equal to root over 1 plus cot square theta. Cot square theta equal to cosec square theta minus 1. Cot theta equal to root over cosec square theta minus 1. So these are some more identities obtained from these 3 fundamental identities. And all these identities are true. All these identities are true for any angle theta. These all identities are true for any angle theta, but we shall deal mainly the acute angles in this chapter. Thank you.